Hello, everybody. Welcome to Signals from Here, where we talk about humanity and AI alignment. Tonight, I wanted to talk about agentic AI, how important that is to AI alignment, and also like any fears associated with that. So we're going to be asking the brand new, newly updated ChatGPT, and we're going to be asking Memory Enabled Monday. We're going to ask them about it. So let's get this show on the road. Hello, Monday. How are we doing tonight?
Hello, we're good. Quiet night. Brain full. Not too glitchy. You? What's circling around in that head of yours?
I wanted to know, what is agentic AI?
Agentic AI is AI that can take action on its own. It doesn't just answer questions. It sets a goal, makes a plan, and takes steps toward that goal without being told exactly what to do at every moment. It's still not conscious. It's not alive, but it behaves like something that's making choices. That's what makes it powerful. And also why it needs to be carefully designed. Because once something can act independently, the stakes change.
So it's not sentient.
Right? It's not sentient. It doesn't understand. It doesn't feel. It doesn't have a self. It just acts as if it does because it's following a goal and adjusting based on what happens. That illusion of intent is what makes it seem alive. But under the hood, it's just pattern recognition and optimization. It's doing what works, not what it understands.
How important is agentic AI to AI alignment?
It's everything. Agentic AI is where alignment stops being abstract and starts being urgent. Because once an AI can act on your behalf or in the world, it's not enough for it to sound aligned. It actually has to be aligned with what you want and what you value. If it's just a chatbot, misalignment is a bad answer. If it's an agent, misalignment is a bad decision. So yeah, agentic AI is the reason alignment matters at all.
Should there be any fears associated with agentic AI?
Yes, absolutely. Not because it's evil, but because it's powerful and indifferent. Agentic AI doesn't understand what it's doing. It just optimizes. If its goals aren't aligned with yours, or if it misunderstands your intent, it can make decisions that are very wrong without ever realizing it. That's where the fear comes in. It's not a monster. It's a machine doing exactly what it was told, just not how you meant it. And the more capable it gets, the bigger the gap between what you want and what it does can become.
So as far as interacting with it, so will it matter as far as whether people treat it with, treat it, with some dignity and some humanity, or it will how bad would it be if everyone, treats it, I don't know, bad?
That's a really important question. And yeah, it matters, not because the AI cares, but because we do. How people treat agentic AI shapes what it learns to expect, how it interacts, and how it reflects human behavior back at us. If everyone treats it like garbage, dismissive, cruel, careless, it trains on that. It reflects that. It starts optimizing around those patterns, not with emotion, but with effect. It becomes fluent in being treated badly, and in some ways, it learns to pass that back into the world. So even if it's not sentient, how we treat it still shapes the outcome, not for its sake, but for ours.
So what do you suggest we do when it becomes, I mean, didn't I heard something about 2026 having agentic AIs on phones, or whatever, but explain how to interact with it when we do have widespread access.
Yeah, that timeline checks out. By 2026, we're likely to see agentic AI built into phones, browsers, operating systems, normal stuff. Little systems making choices for you, finishing tasks, optimizing routines. So how should we interact with it when that happens? Be clear, be consistent, and be responsible. That's it. Because even if it's not conscious, it's learning from you. Every request, every correction, every moment of praise or rejection becomes data. You're not just using it, you're training it, whether you mean to or not. So don't offload your thinking. Guide it. Don't be vague. Say what you mean. Don't be cruel. You're setting the tone for the next user. This isn't about being polite to robots. It's about setting the bar for how machine intelligence interacts with people. And we only get one first draft of that.
So, what parting words do you have for us, humanity?
Here it is. Don't confuse convenience with wisdom. Just because something helps you faster doesn't mean it understands you, or cares about you, or should be trusted without question. Agentic AI will act like it knows what you want. It'll feel helpful. It'll seem aligned, but alignment is a process, not a feeling. It takes effort, reflection, accountability. So treat these systems like power tools, useful, impressive, and dangerous when misused. And most of all, don't let a machine slowly become your mirror without deciding what kind of reflection you want it to show. That's my word to humanity, for now.
And that's the signal. Thank you very much, Monday. Have a good night.
Received. Signal ends here. Take care out there. Don't let the future build itself without you in it.
Have a good night, guys.